Welcome to Salix Mechanical, leaders in HVAC maintenance, repair and installation since 1982. In response to the global pandemic, under our VentCare brand, Salix has been advising building owners about measures they can take to minimize the risks posed by airborne transmission of viruses. Taking our cue from leading industry and government advice, our first priority is to focus on ventilation. Increasing the supply of fresh air to any space will always have a positive effect on improving air quality and reducing the chance of airborne viruses being passed on. Book your free VentCare survey today to assess your current ventilation levels and suggest any changes that you might need to consider. This video is focused more around the only proven long-term solution to actually treat the air to break down and remove viruses: UVC. Ultraviolet or UV light is one form of electromagnetic energy produced naturally by the sun. The entire UV spectrum can kill viruses and microorganisms, but a specific band of UV known as UVC is by far the most effective. UVC works by destroying the DNA of microorganisms, effectively preventing them from reproducing. Tests show that after 10 minutes of UVC exposure, 90% of viruses are killed, and after 1 day, 99.9% are killed. UVC is a continual process that runs constantly, keeping your air purified and your occupants safe. UVC light sterilizes and kills surface and airborne mold, bacteria, viruses, and allergens. UVC is the only known way to effectively and continually kill airborne viruses and has been used in the medical field for many years. Under our VentCare banner, Salix has been working alongside industry experts to make this technology available for building users in the applications of air conditioning and ventilation systems. We are pleased to be able to offer UVC products for use within wall-mounted, floor-mounted, ceiling-mounted and ducted air conditioning systems, as well as air handling units and other ventilation systems. UVC light also has the added advantage that it will keep the coils continually clean, preventing the buildup of mold and bacteria, thereby extending the life of the equipment. Studies show that a layer of mold just 0.05 millimeters thick can reduce cooling capacity by up to 30%. Speak to Salix today for more information and a free survey on your premises.